Washington chapter started. So he was telling me that the chapter started excursions like in the early 50s. And then they made a publication for the first